In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add LinkedIn business account to Hootsuite. To begin, you will need to be logged into your Hootsuite dashboard. Once you are inside, the next thing you will do is open the Settings area. Go ahead and click Settings. This is where Hootsuite gathers all the configuration options for connecting social platforms, so taking a moment here will make the rest of the process smoother and more organized. After you click Settings, you will see additional categories. Now you will click Social Accounts and Teams. This section helps you manage which social networks are connected to your workspace, and it is also where you can control access for Teams. Take a moment to locate it in the menu, then click it. Next, within that Social Accounts and Teams area, you will click Social Accounts. This is an important step because it narrows the view specifically to the connections and accounts you are working with. You should be looking for the screen that lists any existing connected platforms, or a section that indicates you can add a new one. Now that you are on the Social Accounts page, you can add a new connection. Click Add a Social Account. This action tells Hootsuite that you want to connect an additional platform, in this case your LinkedIn page. When you click this, you should see a list of supported networks or a selection dialog. From the available options, select LinkedIn. Make sure you choose the LinkedIn option that appears in the list, not a similarly named platform. Once you select LinkedIn, Hootsuite will show the next part of the connection process. This is the part where Hootsuite prepares to link your LinkedIn business presence to your dashboard. Now, follow the prompts to connect the page. The prompts will guide you step by step through the authorization process. You may be asked to confirm you want to connect your LinkedIn account to Hootsuite, and you may need to choose the specific LinkedIn page you want to manage. Pay attention to what the prompts request, because they typically clarify which page or pages you are granting access to. As you move through the prompts, look for the place where you select the correct LinkedIn business page. This is the part that ensures you are connecting the right destination. If you have multiple pages, you will want to be careful here so you connect the correct one for your business activities. After you select the correct page, the remaining prompts will complete the authorization and connection. Once the connection finishes, you should return to the Social Accounts area and see that LinkedIn is now connected. At this point, Hootsuite is ready to let you manage that page from your dashboard, depending on your permissions and plan. If you do not see the account immediately, give the page a moment to refresh and confirm you are viewing the correct workspace or team area. To wrap up, you have moved from Settings into Social Accounts and Teams, then into Social Accounts, and finally used Add a Social Account to select LinkedIn. Then you followed the on-screen prompts to connect the correct page, which completes the connection between LinkedIn Business and Hootsuite. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.